Get GST ready with ClearTax. You really need to. GST will transform the way you run your CA practice. GST would bring in a huge opportunity for CA firms. It is said that GST would increase the tax compliance markets by at least 4 times, and it presents level playing field for all CAs because it is a new law with no legacy. But the GST brings along complications. Consider this: a CA needs to file 3 returns in 10 days for one single client registered in one single state. If you have 10 clients, each of whom is registered in an average of 10 states, then you would have to file 300 returns per month. That's huge. But that's not all. Given the timeline for each of the 3 returns, you only have 5 days of reconciliation window. Even for basic details in GSTR1, you'll have to use multiple ERPs, and you only have 9 days window for sales invoice upload. So if you have 10,000 invoices per month with a chance of 5% amendment, manual operations are just not possible. Add to that the fact that you only have 5 days to reconcile between GSTR1 and GSTR2. There are a lot many things that you have to do to reconcile, and you only have 5 short days for this. What would be the consequences? If you file the returns late, it would cost your client interest or penalties, and if you miss reconciliation, it would result in loss of input tax credit for your client. In both the situations, it would be terrible for your business. Now consider you have 100 clients and each of them have 200 invoices. That means you'll have 20,000 entries per month. Each of these invoices will have to be uploaded to the GSTIN after validation. In each invoice, you need to validate at least 4 things: the HSN code, place of supply, tax rate, reverse charge. Seems simple? Well, assume that there are 10 line items in each invoice, 10 items sold. You have 20,000 invoices. Each of them have 10 line items, and for each line item you'll have to check 4 things. So you'll totally have to check 8 lakh items in a reconciliation window of just 5 days. It is impossible to validate all of these manually, and that's why CA firms will need an intelligent software that can do it for them. On top of all of this, the GSTN is introducing compliance rating system. So this means that if you won't achieve 100% compliance, your client's rating would fall, which would cause your client business loss, because no other business would engage with a non-compliant business. It will also result in loss of brand equity, market share, poor cash flows, and high compliance cost. What would you do? How can a CA firm prepare themselves for GST? Well, fear not. There are 3 easy steps that you should take to build and grow your practice in GST era, and ClearTax brings to you all of these 3. First step is to get the right GST knowledge. You can learn GST with ClearTax and get certified for it. Learn from the most comprehensive course on GST prepared by IDT experts who have 20 plus years of experience in indirect taxes. This course makes sure that you learn everything about GST at one place and become an expert in GST. The course has 10 hours of high quality e-learning videos, 20 plus real life examples based on various industries to ensure that you understand practical application. There are 20 plus quizzes after learning modules, which would help you to strengthen your GST concepts. In addition to this, you have 2 full-length practice tests to prepare for the final certification exam. After the course, you can appear for the certification exam. On passing it, you get Certified GST Expert Certificate. Step 2 to prepare yourself for GST is to get the best GST software to automate a lot of your manual work and do GST compliance returns and reconciliations with a click of a button. Step 3. Build your online presence by building online profile listed on Google with ClearTax and get pull-based business from internet. Yes, ClearTax offers all of this. ClearTax has come up with all-in-one GST kit which offers you all of the above to build and grow your CA practice. Perhaps the most important step of all three is to get the right software. Because of all the complexities that we've already seen, CA firms now need to move to a software that is connected with their clients so that there can be free flow of data from their clients to them. The software also needs to be cloud-based, intelligent to give early errors warning and automate the manual efforts. The ClearTax GST software offers all of this and many more such features. We have an integrated multi-GSP solution to ensure high uptime. Software allows you to validate taxes. It highlights the errors in dataset you have uploaded, for example, wrong tax calculation for a given tax code and lots more. The software gives you access to either modify or to accept changes or upload anyway. The software is in sync with e-signing facilities. It integrates multi-PAN solutions via USB or OTP. There's user workflow management to assign a particular vendor reconciliation task to one owner. There's limited access to your accountants, your articles. You're always in control of your data. Coming to vendor management, reconciling multiple invoices from multiple vendors would have been a nightmare if not for this software. We provide solutions for bulk corrections and seamlessly integrate vendor communication in workflows. Vendors are sent queries, reminders from the software itself via email and SMS. And wait, there's more. Additionally, before GSTN starts offering vendor ratings, we will provide you with vendor ratings of businesses on ClearTax platform so you can choose from the best. Here's a look at how this software makes CA's life easy. To top all these features off, security is of paramount importance to us. We ensure all audit trails are maintained and we ensure your data is encrypted and safe with bank-level securities. So ClearTax's all-in-one GST kit is definitely one-stop solution for all your GST problems. What are you waiting for? Kickstart your GST journey with our all-in-one GST kit. Get in touch with us at gst@cleartax.in or call us at 011 395 89887.